Hello, in this video I want to show you how to host a game for Liar's Bar only for friends. To do this, first we'll need to click on Enter the Bar, navigate to Host Game, then you can change your lobby name and make it easy to identify for your friends. You can also switch your lobby type to public or friends only, and if you want the game for only your friends, change it to friends only. Now we can move to the next step, and that way your friends will be able to find it by joining a game. You can also click on the invite and it should show you your Steam friends list, and you can select whichever friend you want to invite to your game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.